Alright people, welcome to my channel. Esperanto. Alright, we are now heading to South Aceh. This South Aceh, the middle of Aceh. This Jami, my friend, we graduated from master degree in Indonesia University, and then my friend Olia, very awesome people, and then very gentle people. Alright, now we are Manau village in Calang. Calang is the district Aceh Jaya. Now we are heading to West Aceh and then South Aceh. You know what? South Aceh is very 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 view, and then very places. A lot of people just live normal there. When you got take shot there, that is very a nice shot I think. And then my friend with Nazir is very awesome English, like his speaker from Rwanda.
Okay, Nazir.
And then best driver.
Okay, you Nazir.
I'm driving by instinct right now.
Yeah.
Taking two gorgeous people in here.
Yeah.
And we're heading to Nagan Raya to take this report to see what is the beauty of Nagan Raya.
Alright, guys, just promote the area. Promote reggae
my trip, my adventure.
Africa, United States, or United Kingdom. There's a lot of rain around the world. You don't know exactly about pure of Aceh nowadays because the natural resources like jungle, the mountain, and then the forest are very natural every single morning, and then every single afternoon. A lot of people take short cut.
Yes, it is about 2 hours from Nagan Raya, and first we are going to land at Meulaboh. Then we are going to continue our journey to Nagan Raya, which span approximately 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
30 minutes from Nagan Raya from Meulaboh to Nagan Raya. But firstly, we are going to land at Meulaboh to see some of the tourists in the store.
And we are here in Calang for now.
Yeah, now it's about 2 hours.
Wow.
2 hours away from Meulaboh.
Yes.
Yeah.
So do you know how many miles from Calang to Meulaboh? You know what?
I think it's about 180 kilometers.
Don't sure, right? So how many hours?
Very far, right?
Very far.
So
very far.
Yeah.
Like we spend 2 hours from here.
Yeah, it is